It's very important for us, being a part of this community, to celebrate St. Patrick's Day and embrace the Irish culture at the same time like we are celebrating our own festivals and our own culture. A lot of people were saying, look, we don't have much here about our culture. Our generation growing up, they are missing those aspects of our culture here in Ireland, you know. And then I thought, someone has to do something. Bhangra is a dance from Punjab region, from the north of India. And it's usually done in the month of harvest, which is April, called Vaisakhi. We took Shamrock name as it's Irish. We are trying to promote our dancing culture here in Ireland.
I am excited to celebrate St. Patrick's Day this year because I haven't celebrated it in like 2 years now. So yeah, we'll be going to the parade hopefully and dress up in green, orange, white, yeah.
It really represents what Ireland is to me. I might dress up, paint my face, the colours of the Irish flag.
It's very important for us, you know, to celebrate. We share same colours in the flag. Both cultures are family oriented, and a lot of history of Ireland and India is very similar.